pretty.
Thank you. Wow. Doing great. Here. Make sure to get over here. He's having a blast. Today is just a lazy Sunday or just kind of hanging out, watching football all day long. I'm gonna probably go run a few errands later, but I got a Bath & Body Works package delivered last night and I wanted to open it today. So I ordered a bunch of stuff for Black Friday online, of course, because I was not about to go shopping in actual stores. I honestly kind of forgot what I ordered. That's bad. Woo, okay. So, first thing, I had a coupon. I think it was a free item up to $15 or something like that. So I got this aromatherapy sleep pillow and body mist. I really love pillow mists. I just think that it just kind of relaxes you and calms you down and gets you ready for sleep. One thing I will say, I thought these used to be glass, which is why I was excited about getting it, but it's still cute. Let's see what it smells like. It smells really good. It's chamomile and bergamot. It's not a very like strong perfumey scent, but it's very like light and clean, which I like that. I got a lot of wallflower refills because I kind of have them all throughout our house and it just makes the room smell so good. And this was already open, but I got 2 packs and they're double packs, so they come with 2 each. And this is a new scent called Moonlight Path. I honestly have never smelled this, so hopefully it smells good because I have 4 of these. Ooh, it smells really good. It smells like laundry detergent. It smells good though, and clean. And then I got a few different ones. This one is the Perfect Christmas. And this blue one is, or blue? Yeah. This blue one here is Evergreen, 1,000 Wishes, and In the Stars. In the Stars is one of my favorite scents from Bath & Body Works. I think it came out last year, but it just smells so good and it smells like perfume. And then I got 2, which I've never smelled these before, but it sounded like it would smell good. And these are Pink Fairy Gumdrop. Ooh. Wow, okay. These are gonna probably be my new favorite. These smell so good. It kind of smells like cotton candy and like a peony kind of scent, like a floral. It smells really good. And then I got a crap ton of soaps. So first one, this one is one of my favorites. It's the Violet and Freesia. Smells so good and this packaging is just so pretty. Our bathroom is pretty much like all white and marble, so I just love the way this looks on the vanity. I got 2 of those actually. I got 2 of these because these are also some of my favorite, and it's the chamomile and bergamot scent, the aromatherapy, so it's the same scent as this. And the packaging once again is just so cute and simple. And then Almond Blossom, another one of my favorites, and this just looks so sleek and pretty as well. It's kind of like a matte black finish. I got 2 of these. These are Coconut Mint Drop. I've never smelled this, but I love coconut, so can't really smell. But packaging, so cute. And then we got Iced Blue Lavender, again with like the waffle texture. And I just love anything lavender, to be honest. So, Sparkling Tea and Bergamot. I have a feeling I'm gonna love this. I really love anything bergamot. It just smells so warm and cozy. I don't know, it just smells so good. And then cranberry peach, very cute as well. And yeah, that was all I got. I did order 3 candles yesterday because they had their sale for $9.95 each for the 3-wick candles. So I got cactus blossom, rose water and ivy, and white tea and sage. Those are like my 3 faves. But yeah, I'm excited because honestly, we were almost out of soap and like everywhere in our house. So we really needed soap. And then we're almost out of wallflowers like everywhere. So I'm gonna go refill my wallflowers now.
I know you can read me, yeah. Don't you see that I need you so much? Don't you see that I love you so much? Oh na 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 na, oh na 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 na, darling, I need your love. Oh na 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 na, oh na 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 na, darling, I need your love. Kitty cat. Where'd the kitty cat go? Whoop.
Alright guys, so I thought I would show you guys what my evening workout usually looks like. I don't always have like an hour to work out, and gyms right now are kind of like a mess because of the whole COVID situation. So I'm gonna just show you guys kind of what I do to work out really fast. I usually do this after Beckham falls asleep, and it usually takes me anywhere from 15 to 30 minutes, just depending on, I guess, how I'm feeling or how much time I have. But this is my workout routine that I usually do. So I will start off doing abs. So I do leg lifts. And to be honest, to be honest, I used to, you know, do sets and stuff like that, but on days where I don't really have that much time to work out, I will just do it till I get tired, take a little breather, and then do more until I get tired, and it works for me. So after that, I will usually do some planks. So I will just hold it for as long as I can and then rest and then do a few more planks. And you try and keep your back as straight as possible. Then I will do some hip thrusts. I will do like leg lifts, but I try and hold them for as long as possible. And so it's kind of like you just kind of keep yourself in this position and then sit up when you get tired. And then you just try and balance pretty much. But it really works your core and your stomach muscles pretty good. So once I've done a little bit of abs, then I will move on to legs. Once I'm done with legs, then I do a little bit of arms. So I'll usually just hold them right here. And try, instead of going like all the way down, stop halfway. Like that.
I can't find, don't let the sun go down. Don't let the sun go.
Once I do like another rep of everything, then I usually call it quits. I don't do really any cardio or anything like that. I do have asthma pretty bad, so I can't really do too much cardio. I mean, I'm pretty out of breath now and could use my inhaler, but not going to. So yeah, that is what I do every evening if I have a chance to. If I don't, no sweat. I kind of just do what my body is telling me to or what it needs. So that's what works for me, and that has helped me honestly stay pretty toned. I'm not going to say I'm like super muscular or anything like that. Nowhere where I would love to be, but it works for me. So I'm getting ready to just lay down, watch some YouTube, and go to sleep. But I've been taking these gummy vitamins every single night, and I'm almost out. As you can see, like, it's pretty empty. But you take 2 of these a night, and they have melatonin and chamomile, and it's supposed to be good for your skin as well. But no joke, I'm not even over exaggerating. I will take these, and like 15 to 20 minutes after I take these, I am just so exhausted, can barely keep my eyes open, and I'm ready for bed. So it's about 9 o'clock right now, and I've been trying to go to bed a little bit earlier. That way I wake up more refreshed and not so like groggy and tired. So these work so well. I got these at Target. I'll leave them linked down below. They are so worth it. And I actually got these when I had my LASIK eye surgery because I was terrified that I was going to be up all night. So I was like, okay, I'm going to need something that will make me tired. And these work so good. I love them so much. I think they're gluten-free as well and vegan. Yes, they're vegan, gluten-free, and soy-free.